neat stuff, don't you think? Everywhere you look around you, you can see colour. But can we see colour in the dark? Does colour exist in the dark? Well, that's what we're going to find out. Where would artists be without colour? Colour is a magical interaction between light, the world around us, and our eyes. And colour is the property of light. So is there a way to capture light and see the colour? Well, that's exactly what Sir Isaac Newton did back in 1706. You could say he invented the colour wheel. He was messing around with light and discovered the colours of the rainbow in white light when he passed light through a prism. Through the amazing process of refraction, he discovered the wonderful colours hidden within white light. So Newton discovered that white light is made up of all the colours of the rainbow. But that still doesn't explain why an orange is, well, orange, and a watermelon is green. So, what's going on? Everything in the world around us absorbs light in different ways, just like a sponge. No, not that sort of sponge. Yeah, that type of sponge. This process is called absorption. The process of absorption means that a substance captures and transforms energy. It's the differences in this absorption that creates the colours that we see. For example, water absorbs all of the red side of the spectrum, leaving just the blue. And in case you were wondering, spectrum is just the scale of all the colours that we see in the rainbow. Every paint pigment has a different rate of absorption, and that's why we get different colours. So you see, it's light absorption and the parts of the spectrum that are reflected into our eyes that give us the colours that we see. So, to answer the question, does colour exist in the dark? The answer to that is no. The properties of absorption remain the same, but without light there can be no colour. Even the slightest hint of light will begin to reveal the colour. As the light intensifies, so does the colour. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, subscribe, and smash that bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Thanks very much for your support, and see you next time.